G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video. Today we're going to make a medieval style rope shelf. Okay, so reenactment season is upon us. It's a really big thing here in Australia. Everyone's getting out there, everyone's getting into it. And I thought I'd do a quick video and sort of show how I'm going to make a medieval style rope shelf. Dodging the weather a little bit here, but I wouldn't mind getting this done because it's been on my mind for quite a while. And I've got a few events coming up in the next month or two where I could really start to use some of these things. So let's see if we can get a bit of a move on. Alrighty guys, there we go. Fairly simple. You can quite easily do this in a couple of hours. I actually had to do it over a couple of days because of the weather, but that's alright. Really simple. I just need to adjust some of these knots and this is all good to go. It's a really great piece of furniture to have for medieval reenactment or SCA camping and that kind of stuff. And I think this is a really simple project to sort of cut your teeth on and see how you go. Alrighty guys, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in my next video.